As this storm strengthens, officials warn the impact will bring an array of challenges, including power outages. Our Jessica Maduker spoke with local experts here in Milwaukee who are doing their part to help.
Hurricane Ian's winds blew at about 125 miles per hour through Cuba Tuesday morning. Officials say a majority of the island has been left without electricity. Now Floridians bracing for a Category 4 hurricane that could strengthen.
We know that it's going to be a big storm that's going to affect a lot of people. There will be power outages, that is for certain.
According to Florida Power and Light, more than 2,000 have already begun seeing power outages throughout South Florida. We Energies is working on standby through mutual aid calls to see what companies in Florida might need and how they can help.
Hundreds and hundreds of crews from around the United States are on their way to Florida or are already staged there to help with the storm restoration. We have sent some contracting crews that usually help our utility out down there to help out. So about 75 crews have gone down.
And it's not the first time We Energies is stepping in during a hurricane.
Most notably Hurricane Maria with Puerto Rico, Irma, Superstorm Sandy. So we've gone down there. We bring our trucks. We've brought our equipment. We really work in coordination with those utility companies to make sure that we can restore that power. And if they need additional crews, we'll continue to monitor that as needed.
And We Energies shared with me that they will wait till after the storm passes before making that final decision as to whether or not they send crews to the areas affected by this hurricane. Reporting in Milwaukee, Jessica Maduker, TMJ4 News.
Meanwhile, Red Cross officials say they are sending nearly a dozen volunteers to Florida to be on standby as folks there are bracing for this hurricane. 5 of their volunteers are already in the state, while 6 are heading out in 3 different emergency response vehicles over the next 24 hours. These vehicles provide hot meals, water, and emergency supplies. The Red Cross says their goal is to already be in place when the worst of the storm hits.
Rather than waiting for the tornado or the hurricane to hit, they're going to station a bunch of vehicles and a bunch of people down in the area, and when, if it's bad, they'll be there to help out.
Another effort underway by Generac. Volunteers there will be traveling to Georgia, where they could see considerable flooding later this week. Generac volunteers will be on standby to help repair generators for families that might be without power following the hurricane.